Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mazda MX-5. First, let's establish the fundamental proportions. Start by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle to define the overall body. The wheelbase, the distance between the front and rear axles, is roughly 2/3 of the car's total length. Next, draw a horizontal ground line and a vertical center line to help with symmetry. Finally, lightly sketch 4 circles to mark the approximate positions of the wheels. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the Mazda MX-5 distinctive body. Gently connect your basic forms to create the car's flowing, aerodynamic lines. Pay close attention to the subtle curve of the hood and the sleek, low-slung windshield. Next, sketch the prominent fender flares that gracefully arch over each wheel. Finally, outline the side windows and the characteristic profile of the convertible top, whether up or down. With the main body established, it's time to add the crucial details that make the MX-5 recognizable. Focus on the front first, drawing the distinctive, slightly oval-shaped headlights. Move to the rear and sketch the small, round taillights, a signature element. Next, define the grille opening and the lower air intake, giving the car its friendly yet sporty face. Don't forget to add the subtle character lines along the doors and hood. Finally, let's bring your Mazda MX-5 drawing to life with the finishing touches. Carefully draw the wheels, making sure they fit perfectly within the fender arches. Add details to the wheel spokes and, if visible, the brake calipers. Next, lightly sketch any interior elements you can see through the windows, like the seats or steering wheel. Conclude by applying basic shading to give your drawing depth, form, and a polished appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.